Hello, my name's Martin Fish and this is one of the next generation of battery powered mowers from Cobra, and it's powered by the new 40 volt Max Plus battery, which has got intelligent cell technology which manages the efficiency and the output of the battery to make this as an efficient mower as possible. So this is the larger one in the range. This is the 51 centimetre, the 20-inch rotary mower, and it's got lots of really good features to make a great job of mowing your lawn. So I'm going to pop the battery down there. So this is the power unit we've got just here. So this is where the batteries live. It will actually take two batteries in here, but you can mow with just one battery. And then if we look at the handlebars here, we can adjust the handlebars on this. It makes it really, really comfortable to use when you're mowing. We've got these fast release catchers just here, and we can alter the angle. There are three positions so that we can get it to exactly where we want it to be, and then you just simply lock it in place. The handlebars also fold, which again is really important if you've got restricted storage. So if it's going in a garage or a shed, you can condense the mower by shortening it a little like that. And again, that just pops back into position and very simply tightens like that. And then at the top of the handlebar, we've got this wonderful padded handle here. It just makes it comfortable to use. It's much better than gripping bare steel. It just makes it nice and easy to use. It's got several heights of cut. In fact, we've got 7 heights of cut here. So when it's on the lowest, we're mowing at 25mm, which is an inch, and then we can gradually take it up to raise it 75mm or 3 inches. So whatever length your grass is, you can make sure you mow it and get a really good finish. And when it actually comes to mowing itself, this mower has got 3 modes of mowing. So we can mow with the standard mowing technique where we have our collection box on the back. That just simply hooks on there, and this holds 60 litres of grass clippings, so it holds quite a lot in there. And it's also got the little flap indicator on the back, which flaps up and down when you've got the airflow taking the grass clippings into there. Once that stops flapping, that tells us that the bag is full and it's time to empty it. So that's a really good aid. Other ways you can mow are to take the box off, and you can fit in a mulch plug which is supplied, and this simply fits in the hole at the back where the grass would shoot through into the collection box. So we just lift this flap and that just goes into there like that, and then we put the flap down, and then the grass just whizzes around inside there, chops it very finely, blows it down into the cover or the sward of the grass so it disappears. It feeds the lawn by releasing nitrogen, and it gives a really, really neat finish. The other option, the third option, is to have the side discharge on, and we get again a little chute here. So we leave the mulch plug in position so the grass can't blow out, and we lift this flap here, and this just simply slots into place like that. So instead of the grass exiting from the back of the mower, it's thrown out the side. And that's really useful if you're mowing long grass between fruit trees in an orchard, or you've got large areas where you're trying to create a little meadow. We can set the mower on high and we can blow the grass out that way. So you've got those 3 options, which means you've got total control of how you mow all your grassed areas. Using the mower is very, very simple. All the controls are at the top there, so what we'll do, we'll pop the battery in and show you how to mow. Safety feature for starting is we have to push this red button in first, and once that's depressed, then we pull back this red lever and the motor will start, and then to go forward we just push the black lever in. And to stop, we just release all the levers, and it really is a very easy mower to use. It's light and it's manoeuvrable, so great for getting around curves in the borders. The great thing about it as well is because it's got the intelligent cell technology, the mower can detect when the grass is longer or shorter, so it gives more revs when needs it and lowers the power when the grass is shorter, so your battery will last so much longer. Great mower and makes a fantastic job of cutting the grass. And this model also comes with the battery and a fast charger. For more information on the VX range or any Cobra products, go to cobragarden.co.uk.